Our coach, disappointing day in the office. First of all, can you take us through the game?
Yeah, I think we started off very flat. We didn't look the team that we looked on Wednesday when we played last. We weren't passing the ball around. We are a lot slower to the ball. We allowed STATS to dominate, and defensively, we didn't look very sound, and we gave up a goal to them within 20 minutes, where we allowed them to sneak in on the back post and score. I think in the second half we made some adjustments, and the adjustments proved well for us, where we were a little bit more aggressive and we started to use the width. And when we were just getting the game by the scruff of the neck, our player, Jaime Rankin, got a red card, so it brought us down to 10 men. But nevertheless, they hustled, they played hard, and even in the last 10 minutes of the game, we could have gotten something out of the game, because we are attacking and getting opportunities and chances. But they just have to learn that these are the sort of games that they're going to play in hostile environments. They're a young team. They're just going to have to learn that they have to just dig in and get ready from the whistle blow to go out there and play hard. I think we took too long to get started today, and we played a better second half than the first half.
Yeah, is there something to learn from playing against a STATS team, going up against the big guns, and then starting off flat? Is that something you need to work on going forward from here? Because we'll book up on that a lot more time.
Of course, and we have to start sharp. And one of the things that we're a little bit flat today, we just have to start sharper.
Yeah, these type of teams when